What's up, guys? Gonna be talking about dirt bike maintenance. Oil is probably the number one thing. Then you want air filter cleaner, and you want carburetor cleaner, and you want chain lube. All the stuff you can do at home to make your bike run clean, nice and smooth, and will make the bike last longer. The oil, all 4-stroke bikes take 10W40 motorcycle oil. The oil drain plug is normally located underneath the skid plate, and you also want to clean your bike after every other ride and clean up the chain after every other ride. For the chain, you just want to make sure you lube it up. This guy right here, put it on a bucket, spin your back tire, and you just want to spray the chain. So now the chain's all lubed up and ready to go. Prevents wear and tear on your sprockets. Then you want to do your air filter. So you get air filter cleaner. This is already cleaned. And you want to make sure your air box is clean. Just get some carburetor cleaner. You just want to soak that up. Get a clean rag. Make sure that box is all clean. Then you want to check your spark plug. I think it's a 10mm bolt. Change your spark plug. Easy accessible stuff. And then your oil, which is right here. As you can see, it's black, so this one needs an oil change. And it also has an oil filter. You have to change the oil filter every other time you change the oil. And that's the basic maintenance.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
And that's all you have to do.